gonna be a little something more.
This week in LeTip of Dallas, we are fresh off our January social. In addition to our membership, we had many guests in attendance. This week, we're back at the original Pancake House, meeting at our usual time of 11:30 a.m. on Wednesday. We have identified 7 categories that our members want to bring into our group this year, and so far we have 3 applications to fill those categories. This is how you build bigger and bolder. Our featured speaker this week is Kristina Belmont of Elite Merchant Solutions. In times like these, every dollar counts, and Kristina can help you save dollars with Elite's bank card services. Give Kristina a call so she can compare your current bank card services with Elite's. We want to show you why we believe in putting dollars in your pocket.
Sip coffee on my couch. What can I do instead?